Have you ever wondered why there's a hole in the cap of a pen? Or why those tiny pockets on jeans are there if they can barely fit a coin? The truth is, many everyday objects have hidden functions that few people know, and today, I'm going to reveal some of them to you. Get ready to be amazed, because after this video, you'll never look at these things the same way again. Let's start with a detail that's on practically every ballpoint pen, but that many people ignore: the little hole in the cap. If you thought it was there just to keep the ink from drying out, you're wrong. Actually, that hole is there for a safety reason. It's designed to prevent choking if someone, usually children, swallows the cap. The hole allows air to pass through and can save lives in emergencies. Now tell me, did you already know this? And that tiny pocket on the front of your jeans, it can fit a USB drive, some coins. But why does it exist? This detail comes from the 19th century and had a very specific function: to hold pocket watches. In the days of cowboys and miners, this was the safest way to carry a watch without it falling and breaking. Even though pocket watches have gone out of style, brands continue to put this little pocket in as a classic detail of the original jeans design. If you have Converse sneakers or have ever worn them, you've definitely noticed those two little holes on the side. But what are they for? The most obvious answer would be ventilation, so your feet don't get stuffy. But the real reason is something else. They were created so you could thread the laces through them and make the shoes fit more securely on your feet. This was especially useful for basketball players, who were the target audience for the model when it was created. You know that spaghetti spoon with a hole in the middle? If you think it's just for draining the water from the spaghetti, the reality is that it has another brilliant use: measuring the ideal portion of spaghetti. Yes, that hole was made so you can fit the right amount of spaghetti for a single serving. Now you don't have to misjudge the amount and end up cooking for an army. Many people grew up believing that the blue side of the eraser is for erasing pen. But anyone who's tried it knows it almost never works. The real reason for this rougher side is to erase pencil marks on thicker surfaces, like cardboard or more textured paper. It only seems to erase pen because, depending on the paper, it can end up removing a layer of the sheet along with it. And if you've ever seen a metal padlock, you've surely noticed that there's a small hole at the bottom. That's not there by chance. This hole has two essential functions. The first is to allow water to drain out to prevent rust. And the second is that it also serves as a place to put lubricating oil if the mechanism gets stuck. In other words, it's not a defect. It's a feature designed to increase the padlock's durability. So, how many of these fun facts did you already know? I bet some of them surprised you. And if you know of any other object that has a hidden function, leave a comment below. I want to know. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share it with that friend who loves discovering fun facts. See you in the next video.